Are you struggling with dependency conflicts while installing your Python packages? It can be incredibly frustrating when everything seems to work, but installation fails due to conflicts. Don't worry, you're not alone, and today we're going to tackle this issue together. I completely understand how annoying it is when you think everything is set up correctly, only to be stopped in your tracks by a dependency conflict. This is a common issue many developers face, especially when working with complex libraries. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user asked, how can I instruct Setuptools to ignore dependency conflicts and carry on normally? This situation arises when your project has dependencies that conflict with each other, yet everything seems to function properly. Sound familiar? Let's explore how to resolve this. So what exactly is happening here? When you run pip install, it may complete successfully, but Setuptools can still throw errors due to conflicting dependencies. This can be particularly tricky when transitive dependencies are involved, as they can create a web of conflicts that are hard to untangle. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a powerful tip that can help you manage your dependencies more effectively in the future. To instruct Setuptools to ignore dependency conflicts, the user can utilize the option called Ignore Installed. This allows the installation process to proceed without considering the installed packages. Next, the user should consider using the No Deps option. This option tells Setuptools to skip installing dependencies altogether, which can be useful if the user is confident that the required dependencies are already satisfied. Additionally, the user can create a custom setup script. This script can be modified to handle dependencies in a way that suits the project's needs, allowing for more control over the installation process. Finally, the user should test the installation to ensure that everything works as expected. This can be done by running the application and checking for any runtime errors. Fun fact, did you know that dependency conflicts are often referred to as dependency hell? It's a term that describes the frustration developers feel when trying to resolve these issues. You're definitely not alone in this. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. According to another user, it's not possible to ignore dependency conflicts with Setuptools. They explain that Setuptools is strict and requires all conflicts to be resolved. Here's a pro tip. Regularly update your dependencies and check for conflicts before they become a problem. This proactive approach can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. You now have the tools to handle dependency conflicts with Setuptools. Remember, staying proactive with your dependencies can make a world of difference. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.